Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my extra large lucky bag from Beautylish. Now I was not expecting this today. My tracking said it was going to come tomorrow and I was kind of sad about it because I was really hoping it was going to come today, and then poof, it is here and I'm really excited. I have not peeked into the box. I did kind of rip off the top and then I took the stickers off because I can accidentally kind of show my address sometimes, so I didn't want that to happen. So that's all I've done. I haven't peeked, but I'm going to give you guys just a few facts before I get into this. And before I start even that, I want to say that I'm going into this not knowing what I'm going to get, and that's part of the fun. If I get a bunch of stuff that I already have, it's part of it, you know. I don't care. This is just something fun. I like the mystery of it all and then the excitement of just not knowing. And heck, if I have everything that's in this box, I'll just give it to you guys anyway. It's just about the experience. It's about having fun, and that is it for me. Now, with that being said, let me tell you just a few little details about the Lucky Bag. Lucky Bags are mystery bags of beauty products plus extra surprises if you're really lucky. I've never gotten a really lucky bag, but that's part of the excitement. So I'm fingers crossed. This year, we're offering 5 types of lucky bags. The original bag is $75 and you get 150 at least, so it's 150 plus a worth of products. The Lucky Bag XL, which is what I got, that retails for $150 and you're getting $300 at least worth of products. And then you can also do the get one, give one. That is 2 original Lucky Bags for $150 total. You'll get one and then they donate one. I think that's really cool. I want to do that one year. There's also the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, the 75 and the XL. And then with this, it says, what will I get in my lucky bags? They're filled at random, so there's no way you know what you're gonna get. So just to be clear, Lucky Bag XL, and I'm diving right in. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have to read this. I have to read this. Okay, it reads, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that's inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character, it's on the card. On this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes the new beginnings after a challenging year. Amen. 2020, goodbye. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. I like that. And then here's the symbol. All right, what I'm going to do is I am not going to peek. I'm going to put this over to the side. I'm going to look straight into the camera. Hopefully not knock anything over, and I'm gonna start pulling things out. Oh, I don't want to cheat. I don't want to cheat. I want to be completely surprised. I haven't even watched any videos, so all right. There's a lot of paper. Okay, I feel some bubble wrap. Oh, this feels big. Oh my gosh. What is this heavy? This is heavy. What is this? What is, oh, there's a few things in here. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my lap. I know I saw something from Charlotte, but I'm going to try not to look again. I'm sorry if this noise annoys anybody else because I have misophonia, and if I was listening to this, it would drive me absolutely mad. Okay, let's see. I thought this was one big thing. I was like, what is that? I'm having trouble getting into it. Okay, got something. Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Top Coat in Metal Black. I don't think I have this one. I do have Chroma Crystal Top Coats. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. So let's open it. It's so cold because it's freezing here. I can't get it open. There we go. Oh, that's really pretty. See, I don't have this one. I don't think it's going to do me a whole lot. Let's just do it on this side. That's really pretty. It has a gorgeous reflection to it. Some of these have been known to dry up. Hopefully that doesn't happen. This has, I mean, it has sparkle and shine. I love the cup. I mean, a black smoky eye with that. Yes, please. So that's exciting. I don't have that, so that makes me happy. I can't get it off my hand. And no, I'm not looking in my lap, I promise. I'm looking at my hand. Next up, it feels so weird. You know, like you get your makeup done, you're just like staring somebody in their eyes. This is a brush. Is this Wayne Goss? Yes, this is Wayne Goss. Which one is it? I think I have this one, but you can never have too many Wayne Goss brushes. Oh, yes. I'm going to do the whole brush inappropriate word thing. Yeah, this is staying with mama. Oh my gosh, I love these brushes. Okay, I'm done. It doesn't have the name of it on there. I think I have this one. Either I have this one or it's the holiday one I have. I might have a different limited edition one. It's not that one. I can't remember if I have this one or not. If I don't, I do now. All right, what is next? So far, I'm really happy with this box. Just trying to dig. Come on, it's like getting stuck in the bubble wrap. Okay, I'm guessing skincare. Am I right? Haha, I am right. Pacific Glacial Clay Detoxifying Mask. True Botanicals. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Use up to 3 times a week. Well, let's see. There was just something about it being in a box and I still have stuff in my hands. And it having that weight to it, I was like, skincare. I've been in this industry for far too long. Ooh, it's nice and cold. I don't think I've ever used anything from this brand. Detoxifying Clay Mask. I'm guessing that's going to be great for my pores. I like the smell of it. It's not like a frag. I don't know. It doesn't smell like, you know, clean beauty. Sometimes it can kind of stink. But it doesn't smell overly fragrant. I'm definitely going to be testing that out. Again, something I don't have. Okay, what is next? I feel like I'm getting lipstick on my teeth. I just ate and like I've got all this stuff. Okay, this has a plastic packaging. I want to guess. I can't think of it. All right, we've got Hourglass. This is the Confessions. I love these lipsticks. I'm on a little bit of a hiatus from Hourglass right now, and it has I Cherish and You Inspire. I actually do have this set, so I'm going to put this to the side for a giveaway. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to swatch them or anything because, again, I do have them. But yeah, I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway. Okay, oh, I almost looked. I saw the bubble wrap. I'm not going to lie, I saw the bubble wrap. All right, this is a squeezy tube. So skin or hair, it's my guess. I don't know why I'm guessing, it's just fun. This is R&Co High Dive Moisture Shine Cream. Plunge into the deep hydration, shine. Yep, it is for your hair, and you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, or it helps to, okay, hold on. Formulated to smooth and seal the hair, it moisturizes, softens, drowns out frizz, work through towel-dried hair, and air dry. I've never tried anything from this brand, and seeing as I'm growing out my hair, good time to get it. I'm just loving this. I know it's a sensory thing, but I'm just loving how everything is cold. It literally just came. All right, I got another box. It's one of those, it feels like a plastic box, but then it has like plastic wrap over top of it. Maybe a sponge? Nope. I don't think I'm ready for these quite yet. But I don't know. I do have daughters though. I love slip. These are 3 pure silk scrunchies. I'm gonna have to decide. Do I give them to my daughters or do I give them to you guys? Let's see at the end how many things I'm going to be giving away, because I know I would absolutely keep these and I would love them. I actually really like scrunchies when my hair, I used to have long hair and I always wore my hair in ponytails and I always had scrunchies back in the day, and now you have the kind that actually won't damage your hair. I love slip, but let me decide if this is going to be for you or for my daughters. All right, what is next? Okay, another box. I don't know. I can't guess this one. A powder? No, it's not a powder. Oh, yes. Good molecules. These are the caffeine energizing hydra gel eye patches. I do already own these, so this is the first thing that I already have. I like these, and I am on a kick right now with eye gel patches. I've got a confession. I've been wearing them morning and sometimes at night as well. Yeah, it's a problem. It's not really a problem because it's really helping this area of my face or my under eye. So I'm keeping these. I have them from Good Molecules, which is such a great brand. They have so many things that I really do like. And then I have some from Milk. I have Peter Thomas Roth. I have, is it Glow Recipe? I think it's Glow Recipe. And there's one other brand. But yeah, I am full on like addicted to eye gel patches right now. And thank you, Tara Lynn, for that. She's the one that got me. I used to use the Patchology ones, but then I had stopped using them. And I saw her using them. I'm like, I want to be like Tara. All right, this is a longer box. Setting spray. I got it right. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury. I think I still have this. It is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Like I said, I do believe I still have this, so I'm going to put this in my giveaway. And let's move on to the next. I can't believe I got that one. Okay, how many things? Okay, there's just one more thing in this. This seems like it would be a palette. It's a square, thin box. I would say it's like this thick. I think it's a palette. Tom Ford? It's Body Heat. I have this as well, but this is a gorgeous palette. A gorgeous palette. So this will be given away, but yeah, it's so pretty. This is one of the really, really good ones. It's a wet dry formula. I don't want to take this little protector off of it, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So I'm going to put it back in its home, and it comes with a bag, and the bag is still in the box, so I gotta put it back in here. And I'm going to give this away to you guys. All right. I don't think there's anything left in this, making sure. No, okay. Nothing left in here. And is that it? Is that it? One in the box. Is that it? I think that's it. Let me make sure. No? No. No? Yes, that is it. All right. So I think it's about 50-50. No, I think I got more that I didn't have than what I did. All right, so let's talk about this giveaway. I'm definitely going to give away the Tom Ford Body Heat and the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really thought, when I saw that little piece of Charlotte Tilbury, I thought it was going to be one of the larger palettes. I was wrong. And I'm going to give away this guy right here, the Confession lipsticks from Hourglass. So there's 3 products. I'm keeping this and the eye gels and the face mask. Still haven't made up my mind about these. And then, of course, I also got the Chroma Crystal, is that what it's called? Chrome Crystal Top Coat in Metal Black. And then I got the Wangas brush. So, I mean, yeah, that was worth it for me. Oh, this brush, so soft. Okay, okay. What do I do? I'm trying to think and get food out of my teeth. My girls don't wear their hair up that often. I'm going to give it to you guys. So I have, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products for myself. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 for you guys. I think this was actually a good box. And if you think about it, I mean, this right here is an $88 quad. $88. And I paid $150 for the entire box. So I got quite a bit. I'm going to have to look up all the prices of everything, and then I will insert it on the screen exactly how much the box ended up being worth, because I don't remember the prices of everything that I got. And was there a paper? No, there's no paper in there that tells me how much everything is worth. So for me, it's worth it. I love the experience. I love giving back to you guys, and I love getting new things as well. So if you want to be entered into the giveaway, just let your girl know. Give me a way to contact you, either Instagram or your email address. You got 24 hours to respond. This will last for a week. I'll have the official date and time in the description box. And then let's see. Let me know of the giveaway, the 4 items, which item is your favorite that you would be the most excited to win. Even though you're going to get all 4, let me know which one would be your favorite. Make sure that you're checking because you got 24 hours. Again, I'm too excited to tell you guys the official rules. So all the official rules will be in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought of everything that I got. And yeah, I will see all of you beauties in my next video. Bye guys!